Here's a York and a Carrier. $1996, 2-ton. Two-ton from 1996. All right. Got a few more over here. Got a Goodman and a Payne and a Spider. Sorry, Spider. This is an old Goodman. Trying to get that on it, but it's hard to. And I'm gonna have to skip that Payne. There's a Spider guarding them. These are the last few air conditioners that I have to film. And there's open blinds right there and someone's sleeping, so I'm definitely not going to go there. There's a Heil and I think a Bryant. And these are blinds, I believe. Armstrong Air, Concept 10. 2001, 2-ton. And here's, I think a Reamer Rude, because the badge is missing. 2018, 2-ton. Sorry I had to skip that Heil and Payne. I know, but someone was literally sleeping in that window, and you could see him. And it's wet back here. Here's a ICP. Lennox. Mirror. $2018, 2-ton. And 1988, 2-ton. This is an old bugger right here. I think it's a straight cool. There's a few more over here. Yep. Armstrong Air and a Air Temp. And here. 2006, 2-ton. I can't get that Air Temp, unfortunately, because there's an open window. So, sorry I can't get the data on some of these, but thanks for watching anyways.